How old are you?
Huh?
How old are you? As an age, how old are you?
Why are you so aggressive yelling at me?
I literally just asked you 3 times. How old are you?
Where's your ID?
Huh?
She's detained now.
What, bro?
Stop.
Yeah, what, bro?
What do you mean?
What, bro?
We literally
I
just
said what?
On March 12th, 2026, Orlando officers contacted spring breakers with open alcohol near a vehicle in a public parking area. One question, how old are you, asked 4 times. No answer. 30 seconds later, handcuffs. An avoidable arrest.
Why is everybody getting such in a rush now?
What?
How much alcohol you guys got in the car? Or we're not going to say anything?
I got beat boxes. I'm 21.
Right.
I can show you my.
Okay.
But I had my drinking.
How old is everybody? How old are you?
Huh?
How old are you? As an age, how old are you?
Why are you so aggressive yelling at me?
I literally just asked you 3 times.
That's my license.
How old are you?
Where's your ID?
Huh?
She's detained now.
What, bro?
Stop.
Yeah, what, bro?
What do you mean?
What, bro?
We literally
I
just
said what?
How about you learn to
4
listen
times.
when we ask you things?
4 times, and you keep saying, huh?
So now you potentially get to go to jail.
Hey, 25 feet.
25 feet back, dude.
Yeah, I got video, guys.
Sorry.
So do we.
Hopefully you can get video when she gets out of jail. 25 feet by the black car, please. Thank you.
Daddy, where's my ID?
Stay here.
My ID is right
You were part of the vehicle, correct?
You want my ID?
Thank you. All that would have taken the first
I
time.
said huh because I didn't hear you.
He was pretty clear about it.
But you could have
Really,
repeated.
dude?
I'm sorry. No, I'm so sorry.
Like,
But you could have repeated yourself. No.
he did 4 times.
But she said.
I do.
He does.
And I'm not driving.
2007.
I'm literally just
We
standing.
asked you how old you were twice.
I didn't hear you. I said huh?
What's confusing about how old are you?
I didn't have my ID.
Ma'am,
It is.
ma'am,
Yes.
listen to my question.
My second.
I'm not asking.
Alright.
I'm not asking about your ID. How old are you?
I'm 18.
That's all I was asking.
Okay.
So you don't need your ID to tell you that you're 18.
I was confused. Why? Like You can let go of me, please.
No, it's called keeping positive control on you because you are in
I am
handcuffs. So
positively
you will
controlled.
have handcuffs.
Let there be.
I'm getting arrested. That's cool. Gonna have a dummy fucking panic attack in your lobby. I promise you that. This is like dumb, bro. I'm like,
Stay back. Stay back.
She has literal panic attacks.
Okay, I understand that. Back, yeah, you can step over, bro. And then thank you.
What's the car
We're
stay there?
trying to literally help my sister.
429 B's by number, please.
Okay.
And so there's only one guy over 21?
I'm 22.
22? Okay.
It's going to be 7526.
You cannot have possession of alcohol if you're under the age of.
I didn't have possession of alcohol.
Who provided all this?
Oh, Austin. I had my phone on recording. Can you please record?
6398.
Please?
So I can be arrested too?
You're not getting arrested for
Dude, it's fucking
Just stay
bike cops, bro.
25 feet back. That's all we ask if you're gonna be.
That's not
parked.
25 feet. Do you want to pull out a measuring tape?
Give me my phone.
What did I do?
What's phone's number, Maddie?
I don't know.
Orlando's municipal ordinance prohibits alcohol in all public spaces outside licensed establishments. Parking lots, sidewalks, garages, all prohibited.
Contributing to delinquency to a minor. Yeah.
Maddie, bro.
Stop. Don't be talking to her.
I can't talk to somebody?
No, not while we're dealing with this. No.
Okay, so you cannot tell me I can't talk to her?
All
That
right.
is
Now you're going to jail for resisting.
That's called tampering.
So.
She wants to talk to you away with her.
Yep.
Alright,
And she can go to jail for resisting, not obeying a lawful command.
This right here might be 25 feet.
The brother approached during the detention and was warned for obstruction. Under Section 843.02, resisting without violence carries up to 1 year in jail.
How's your spring break going?
Yeah, I'm not committing crimes.
Well, I was just asking how your spring break is going. Is this a camera? You know, hell yeah. I don't know. I just talk a lot when I'm like, I'm really anxious.
It would not have taken any of this had you just listened the first time when we asked you. He asked you very clearly, okay? All of us heard him
Okay,
ask you.
I'm like, I was looking at my boyfriend, I was looking at my sister, it's just,
But the question wasn't towards them, it was towards you. How old are you? That's what he asked.
but I wasn't paying attention to him,
That's-
so if
that's
40 people are talking to you,
Negligence does not equal a free pass,
okay,
right?
yeah,
I'm assuming you're probably in college, right?
yeah.
Yeah. So
Do you want to know my major? I like want to
listen.
talk, so.
Okay, that's fine. But listen, that means you're smart, right? You're not
You know, I'm,
a high school dropout.
I am.
You made it to college somehow
I did.
at 18.
I did.
So if you dropped out of high school, you finished up pretty quick, right?
Yes. I
Right?
guess,
Because typically when you go to college, you're usually about 17, 18,
yeah.
right? So it's not like you wasted a bunch of time, dropped out of high school.
Yeah,
didn't do
I
anything,
tried my
right?
best,
You're-
yeah.
You're pretty smart in that
I
sense,
tried,
right?
yeah.
You're not completely an idiot.
No.
So how it would appear, right, is that you're playing games by being like that, right? With
I
not answering questions.
wouldn't
Because-
try to do that, but I can see that, yes.
Right?
Yes.
That is where we're at. That is why we're here.
Okay.
Okay? Simply, hey, I'm 18. My
We're
bad.
having a very
This stuff-
civil conversation. Can I ask you, I just want to turn towards you, if that's fine. It's just, if I can,
But I'm going to keep positive control because you are in
Obviously.
custody,
Yes.
right? Because I'm not going to have, whether they want to or not, for their guys, that's on them. For what? Suggestion would be, if you're going to come party in a city that you're not from, or that you're here for schooling, or whatever the case is.
I'm not from.
Okay,
I go
listen.
to a college in South Portland, Maine.
I saw your ID was from Maine.
Yeah.
So if you're going to come out of state anywhere, or somewhere that you're not familiar with, I would look up laws and rules and city ordinances before you do certain things, because that's how you get in these kind of situations.
Like,
Right?
stand next to a car.
You cannot have, so why we stopped out with you is the alcohol by the car, right?
Mm-hmm.
You can't have that in the city of Orlando.
Yeah.
Okay? So
Obviously.
the
You
pre-game,
can't have it in any city, really.
you can't have
I'm
it
not
like,
trying to
no,
be like
you,
a
you
dickhead
guys,
or
you
anything.
guys were pre-gaming essentially, right?
I guess. I mean, we've
Right.
already been to the club. You can see the X's on my
But
hand. I'm not really
you got, well,
pre-gaming.
pre-gaming or after gaming,
Yes,
whatever you want to call
whatever,
it, right?
yeah.
Alcohol
I
is
see
being
that.
drank,
Yes.
right? That is arrestable in the city of Orlando.
I see
okay?
that. Can I
That's
turn
not-
towards you a little bit?
It's not inside of a bar or club or house or something like that. If you are outside like this, right, parking garages, parking lots, walking down the street, it's not even any questions asked. You can go straight to jail just for that. Right?
Yeah.
Again, where it becomes an issue for this to be more than just conversation was where you started to not listen.
That was.
Okay?
I
I'm
see
just
that.
explaining.
Yes.
That's
I see
where
that.
it became more of a, hey, verbal, don't have this here, we're going to
I'm
take
sorry.
it, and became a bigger
I see
issue.
that.
Then we find your age, right, which we would have found out anyway.
Yeah, 18.
Right? 18.
Oh, I
He
see.
has providing you with alcohol because you can't buy it, or whatever store provided to you if you bought it is going to have an issue.
Yeah.
Hey, cars are here.
The question, "How old are you?" is a basic identification inquiry, not custodial interrogation. Miranda does not apply. The answer was not compelled testimony.
Are we all going into one cruiser? There's only one car.
No.
Oh, word. Hey, y'all. Oh, I'm sorry, it's not funny. Really not funny. Natty, bro, it's fine, bro. You're fine.
Benny.
Sorry, not doing anything. Pulling my wedgie.
I got you.
The human thing.
I got you.
Hey, the two girls are gonna go in the same car.
We're going in the same car, Maddie.
Benny.
Maddie, why is your black full of black? Why does your back have a bunch of black shit on it?
She sat on a tire.
My phone.
Okay, no. There's no cell phone.
Can you get my phone from my boyfriend? Maybe?
Maddie, where's my phone?
I don't know.
Alright, get inside the car. We're not here to. We're not here for cell phones.
Am I supposed to be on the other side?
Yeah, stand on that side. She's gonna sit on this side.
I really cannot believe it.
Give me a second. Turn your wrist here.
I really cannot believe it.
Maddie, you're not gonna have a seizure.
I'm gonna have a seizure. I can't breathe.
Look at me. Look at me. Look at me.
All right, thank you.
Your baby.
The officer stated it clearly that is arrestable in the city of Orlando. This is not discretionary. It is codified local law. Under Florida statute 562.111, possession of alcohol by a person under 21 is a second-degree misdemeanor. 60 days jail, $500 fine. A second offense elevates to a first-degree misdemeanor. 1 year jail, $1,000. The statute does not distinguish beer from liquor. Section 322.056 adds an automatic 6-month license suspension upon conviction, even if no vehicle was involved. That penalty is not judicial. It is automatic. The 22-year-old in the group faces separate exposure. Under Section 562.11, providing alcohol to a person under 21 is independently criminal. Communicating with a detained subject during an active investigation can constitute tampering. The brothers' compliance after the warning prevented a second arrest. Under Hybel v. 6th Judicial District, states may require identification during a lawful Terry stop. The officers had that authority here. The officers earn a B. The secondary officer delivered an excellent educational moment explaining the ordinance, the statute, and the consequences patiently. The concern, 30 seconds from first question to handcuffs. In a noisy spring break environment, hum may reflect confusion, not defiance. Maddie earns a D+, 18 years old with alcohol in a zero-tolerance jurisdiction. Failed to answer a 6-word question 4 consecutive times. Credit for cooperation after handcuffs. No resistance. Engaged with the educational conversation. Acknowledged she understood once the law was explained. The friends earn a C. Emotional reactions made the situation worse. The measuring tape comment did not help. Compliance after warnings prevented additional arrests. 3 lessons. First, local ordinances can be stricter than state law. Orlando bans public alcohol everywhere outside licensed venues. Look up local rules first. Second, underage possession triggers automatic license suspension. No vehicle required. That consequence follows you long after the fine is paid. Third, non-compliance accelerates everything. 4 words would have changed this encounter entirely. I am 18 years old. A parking lot, a beatbox, and a question asked 4 times. It ended with handcuffs. The answer took 2 seconds. The arrest will last a lifetime. Let us know what interactions or legal topics you would like analyzed in the comments. Thank you for watching. Stay safe out there.